yesterday we read half chapter, so continue our chapter. I happily climb up and jump on the berth like the gymnast. Gymnast क्या होते हैं? जैसे people लोग जिम्नास्टिक करते हैं ना, people who take part in the kind of sport. वैसे मैं ऊपर जाके सो गई. I had seen on TV. It was great. I saw the fans, lights on the cabin roofs that were quite close to me. आपने देखा ना ऊपर बर्थ पे आप सोए हो तो ऊपर छत पे पंखा वंखा सब साफ दिखाई देता है. I stuck out my arm to check the distance when someone shouted, "Watch out!" और मैंने जैसे अपने हाथ ऊंचा किया तो फैन पे लग सकता था, तो मुझे चिल्लाया, "Hey little girl, just stop it. You will hurt yourself if you touch the fan." क्योंकि फैन बिल्कुल पास में था, अगर आप ऊंचा हाथ करोगे तो क्या होगा, फैन से फिंगर कट जाएगी. तो अंकल ने मुझे चिल्लाया, शाउट किया. Said the angry uncle I had seen earlier. I glared. Glad means look at the another person in an angry way. At uncle and said softly, "I know, I will be careful." मैंने भी अंकल की तरफ देखा और बोला, हाँ मुझे पता है. And I turned and start rocking to the छू छू छक 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 ट्रेन चल रही है. It felt so good. What fun! मजा आ रहा था, ट्रेन चल रही थी. By now Didi joined him and said, "Gina, it's time to go to sleep. I'm turning the light off. Good night." Uncle nodded as well. He made snoring sounds which actually sounded funny. आपको पता है ना, खराटे मारते रात को तो सब सो गए. He pulled his blanket over his head and went to sleep. I was very angry with him. What a mean person. No fun at all. कि अंकल देखो बिल्कुल मजाक भी नहीं करते हैं. I was really dark now. Only the blue night light was on. I could not see anything. The whole coach was slowly growing silent, but people were snoring too. I just could not sleep. This was not the fun time train ride that I wanted. Suddenly, there was a big jerk and the train stopped. I sat up. I wanted to look out and see what was going on this station. Why not take a peek? I looked down and could not see Didi, but uncle was there, snoring like a lion. मैंने देखा कि वहाँ दीदी तो नहीं है, लेकिन अंकल सो रहे हैं और खराटे मार रहे हैं. I threw off the sheets quickly and carefully went down the ladder. और मैं सीढ़ियों से नीचे आ गई. Then I went out of the cabin and towards the main doors. मैं मेन डोर पे गई. Our cabin was in the middle, so I had to walk a little. When I reached the door, I looked outside. The station was noisy and had many shops and restaurants. अब देखा ना स्टेशन पे बस रुकती है, ट्रेन रुकती है तो बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट आते हैं, शॉप्स आती हैं. There was a very colorful toy shop और वहाँ पे खिलौने की दुकान भी थी. But there were so many people on the platform. It was scary. Suddenly, a strong hand gripped my hand and took me the back into the cabin. एक मैंने अचानक देखा कि एक हैंड आया और मुझे खींचकर वापस कैबिन में ले गया. Rita D was there. वो कौन थी? रीटा दीदी. Thank God you found her. I looked up and saw that it was uncle who had brought me back. It suddenly dawned on me that uncle was actually a good person and he had saved me from getting lost. Thank you uncle, I am sorry, I said because it was my fault. मैंने अंकल को थैंक यू किया क्योंकि वो मुझे वापस लेके आए थे, वो तो अच्छे अंकल थे. Mom and dad always say that I should admit it when I am wrong. मुझे मम्मी पापा ने बताया जब भी मैं कभी रॉन्ग हूँ तो मुझे एडमिट करना चाहिए, हाँ दिस इज रॉन्ग. अंकल टोल्ड मी टू बी केयरफुल इन फ्यूचर. अंकल ने मुझे बताया कि आप फ्यूचर में अपना ध्यान रखना. इन एनी केस माई फर्स्ट ट्रेन राइड वॉज क्वाइट एक्साइटिंग. सो आई होप दिस इज ऑल इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. रीड द चैप्टर केयरफुली. बाय बाय.